Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today let me explain how flax seeds works for weight loss. Flax seeds derived from the flax plant Linum oceatissimum are tiny powerhouses of nutrition that have garnered attention for their potential weight loss benefits. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and essential nutrients, flax seeds can help support weight management when incorporated into a balanced diet. Now let's explore the effective ways to use flax seeds for weight loss. First, let us note the nutritional benefits of the flax seeds. Flax seeds are exceptionally high in dietary fiber, which can promote feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. They also contain lignans, which are plant compounds that may help regulate metabolism and support healthy digestion. Additionally, the healthy fats found in flax seeds can provide sustained energy, making them an excellent addition to meals and snacks. Now you may be wondering how to use flax seeds. First, ground flax seeds. Ground flax seeds are more easily digestible than whole seeds, making them a preferred choice. To incorporate them into your diet, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or baked goods. This simple addition boosts fiber and nutrition content, helping you stay full longer. Next is the flaxseed water. Flaxseed water is another effective way to harness the benefits of flax seeds. Soak 1 tablespoon of flax seeds in water overnight, then strain and drink the water in the morning on an empty stomach. This can help control appetite and improve digestion, aiding weight loss efforts. Then comes the flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is the concentrated source of omega-3 fatty acids. Drizzle it over salads or incorporate it into your dressings for a healthy fat boost. While it's not as high in fiber as whole or ground seeds, it can still support weight loss by enhancing satiety. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet can be an effective strategy for weight loss. Their high fiber content and healthy fats promote satiety and support digestion, making them a valuable addition to any weight loss management plan. By exploring various methods of consumption, you can enjoy the numerous benefits of flax seeds while working towards your health goals. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.